because I will cut them later, cariño. Just a small bowl. So alright guys, so today it is Monday. Today it is Sunday afternoon, and we are going to harvest our almond nuts. Yes, and this year is the first time that we harvest, because last year there was no any fruit, right, Daddy? Exactly. And this year we are so happy because we have almonds to harvest. So let's go. Alright guys, so we also have our huge basket and our kids will accompany us. My husband started already. So this is the weather today guys, and it is the first day that the weather is really nice, not hot, not cold. Yeah, so we love the weather. And today is a Sunday, 27th August 2023 guys. So Lakota is saying hi. This is our apricot tree guys, and we harvested lots of apricots last June. And these are small apples, if anyone knows the name of this fruit. Small apples. And they are red when they are ripe guys. And this one is also another apricot. Yeah, so we really had apricot last June guys, and we really enjoyed apricots. Let's go.
Hi.
Hi. Alright guys, so here are our two almond trees. We also have another one at the other side, and look at this guys, they are really ready because they opened the skin already. So we have to, you know, take it like that and take out the peel, the green thing, this one guys. And we will take this and we will dry it, then after that we can open it guys. We have to use a stone or a hammer to crush this one guys, and then we can take the almond inside. Alright. So we are grateful that this year we have almond guys. And as you can see, they started also guys to fall, and we have to pick also the ones that are on the ground. Here. More in there. Very good, Lakota, darling. You are helping mommy and daddy and Haley too. Very good. And our dogs, wherever we go, they are with us too. They follow us. An insect, Haley. Lakota saw an insect on her arm, and I will show you how much we harvest later. My eye is very itchy. I don't know. Very good, Haley.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me.
Lalaki lilirik siplaw. Kimira labing maglavluy. Ha? Kimira labing maglavluy.
Potet farem no gaire gran, però algú hi haurà, no? Tot la Geli s'ha barrejat. Aha.
Wow!
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 Ui, pinxa, si poseu les mans, vigileu, que les punxes aquestes...
Yes, pincha. It
Aquesta
hurts
encara
because
està.
of
Noies, agafem...
edge.
Vaig a donar això.
Tu, go!
Ole!
Go!
Noies, agafa tu.
Hello guys, so after picking the almond, we didn't pick all the almonds guys, few only or a little bit only, because we need ladder or we need something to shake the branches of the tree so the almond will fall. And now we are picking some figs because I want to make marmalade guys, or jam. Yeah? Uh-huh. Okay, that's good, Daddy.
You can explain that we are taking the ones for the...
Yes, and my husband is taking... Yeah, that one is okay, Daddy.
Yes.
It's not that so ripe. My husband is taking the... It's okay because I will cut them later, cariño. My husband is taking the ripe ones or overripe ones, so he will give it to our goats. Our goats love them. Right, Daddy?
Yes.
Yeah. They love it so much. Now let's go to the other side. Here. Okay guys, so we are now inside our house and I'm in our kitchen. And this is what my husband and I harvested, guys. We harvested only a few, just a small bowl. So I'm going to make marmalade with these ones, guys.
Nandiyan yung pasta mo, Mama?